Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sufyan. So today I'm here to discuss about the different vehicle of different uses. Today's class, the out of class. So we have come here outside to just introduce you. This is, you can see the tank truck. This is used for the fuel, oil and any petrol from one city to another city, from one state to another state. So it's so beneficial for us, and you can see the car, many cars going from this way. So car is used for the transportation people from yes, from one place to another place, one location to another location, and it is so useful and it's comfortable to travel with family, with friends. And now you can see the bike is going on. The bike is very necessary for everyone, and it is used for the daily routine, you can say, for go to work, for go to school, and to taking any work for home. And especially we often see here the truck. It's very useful, especially in these areas. Trucks are used for the farming and agriculture field, for plowing, and so truck is very beneficial. They are having a big vehicles and yes, and truck is the, you can say, superhero of the world of farming. Now you can see the government buses. It is like a big vehicle, and which carry the people from one place to another place. It is the, you can say, the transportation, public transportation. It is a convenient and affordable way to travel around the city. So no any vehicle is going on. So I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all. Assalamu alaikum.